What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And last week I was so busy I was not able to cover a grand opening event. Last Wednesday, Thursday, I believe they had a soft opening last Wednesday, Thursday. I did have an appointment here for last Thursday. You had to have an appointment the first couple days, but I was busy with work, so I didn't make it. It's like a new place, I think. This place called The Point out in El Segundo. Do got a Nike retail shop. Let's go, man. I'm a week late, but hey, it is what it is, man. It is one of the smaller retail stores, but it's bigger than Glendale and Pasadena. So I don't know. Let's go. I did hear last week they did have all kinds of heat. They still got Dunks at least. They still got Dunk lows. Okay. Yeah, I'm tripping because I didn't even notice they got a little heat section type of thing. I don't know if they're returns or what. But these are grade school right here. Yeah, I wish I doubled up on these. Dang it. Yeah, these are fire. These are grade school. So I did see this at another spot. Yeah, I think these are men's sizes, but yeah, the top, it does have kind of like a yellowish hue when certain light hits it, I guess. Okay, that's interesting. Gorge greens, is that what these are? I don't know. We've got, I haven't seen these. These the Kawhis? Whoa, haven't seen these forever. Got some more. I got these. I don't know. Have people been going for these? I don't really know. The Velvets right here, and then the Mars, and then the women's ones right here. Okay, all kinds of stuff. Now we're back to these. People call these the Miami Hurricane Dunks. Got these bad boys right here. Apparently I'm taking stuff out. Okay, cool. We're good. I think we're good. Wait, hold on. All right, we're good now. Messing up their displays, man. All right, do you guys, what is these? The True Blue ones. It's not bad. Not bad. Like, you know, it's they're what they are. Got mids, Laker mids, lows, black and white dunks, more dunks. Got blazers. These are the vintage right here. Do got the Lux. Haven't seen these at too many spots. They got the metal aglets and everything. Damn, they're fancy. $140 for those. These are super heavy and materials just hella nice on these. Okay, they're here. And of course they do have they got everything. Of course they do put everything in sections. Got the workout stuff right here. Got the trail running, racing shoes, regular running shoes right here. Probably the grade school. This is the women's section / grade school. You know, nothing too crazy. This is definitely the dopest section right here. I'm not gonna really ask for sizing because I'm not really interested in buying any of this stuff. But man, I know people on some of the stuff. You know, I know a bunch of y'all missed out on these. Grade school, you know, dunks. I'm sure fools want dunks, right? People want dunks. And those Hurricanes right there. Yep. Darn, I did talk to the workers. The workers very nice. I was like, hey, what did I miss out on last week? Man, I had an appointment Thursday. What did I miss out on? They told me I missed out on some Panda dunks. They had the Panda dunks. I don't care about those. And then, what else? Oh, they said they had the Hurricane dunks. That's it, which they have right now. Probably have less sizes, but that's about it. So apparently I didn't miss out on that much. I don't know. Maybe they had other stuff. Let me know if you guys came here opening weekend. Let me know. Shopping center kind of reminds me of 2nd and PCH in Long Beach. That's where the Nike retail shop in Long Beach is located. Pretty cool place. Get to chill. Got restaurants. Okay. All right, on to the next spot. We're going the wrong way. Don't you see the arrow down? All right, a few days later, do got a Ross, do got a Burlington. This is in North Hollywood. Let's go. This Burlington is freaking huge. Oh, look. Just doing a restock. Am I getting a restock? I don't see anything dope, but okay. All right, let's go. Of course, we are starting with the 10 and a halves, 10 halves. Not looking too promising so far. But the first thing I do see here, Pegasus 37. Pretty clean, white and black. Going for $50. It's not too shabby. That's pretty much it for the size 10 and a half. Size 10, not much, just those bread feelers. Got some fake Yeezys right here in the size 9. Infinity Run Flyknits. $40 for these. That is a fantastic deal. Color's really dope on this. This is Infinity Run Flyknit 2s, actually, too. Size 11s, size 12, just not much. Not much. These some 574s. Oh, 500s right here going for $40. That's not too shabby. These are size 11 and a half. Got some pretty dope look, old school look to them. Size 12, I recognize this little toe box right here. Do got some Witnesses, LeBron Witness, going for $40. Size 13, got a couple more Witnesses. Red colorway going for $40. Not too shabby. Cheaper than the outlets. Not too shabby. Got some Laker hats right here. Not looking too premium though. The material's just really mediocre too. $10. Oh, this one's not bad. Oh yeah, see, this one looks nice. Oh, this one's nice. Mitchell and Ness snapback, $13. That's not bad. Got a fitted here. Mitchell and Ness fitted. This is my size too. $10. This is my size. I might grab it, dude. $10. Not 5 like at the lid sales, but you know, I have a jersey that this would match. Okay. Damn, I know I shouldn't be buying anything either, man. Oh, this is super flimsy. The Hot Ones Complex TV show or YouTube show. $8 for that. That's pretty cool, I guess. Oh, and dang, they got more hats right here on the floor. How dare y'all? $7.25 for both of those. So they do got some decent hats here in there. Damn, I really, you know, would I wear this? I have so many hats already. So many hats. I have like 5 that I haven't even worn yet. You know what? I'm gonna put it back. I don't want to buy stuff just to buy stuff. Hell of a deal though. All right, this is the sportswear. Man, people always find Mitchell and Ness like shorts and freaking jerseys and stuff like that. I've never gotten lucky ever at one of these spots. That's why I don't even come here. It's just sportswear, and yeah, I don't see Jack, yo. Don't see Jack. I don't even see any dope jackets, sweatshirts, nothing. Did work from home today for a bit. Yeah, but yeah, coming out after work, yo. Coming out after work. Some Real Trees, Air Max 97 Real Trees. I think I grabbed them for like $50, something like that. I think that was at the Long Beach outlet. But yeah, man. Hoodie, shorts. Do love my Tech Fleece shorts. I don't understand the point of Tech Fleece shorts because Tech Fleece is to keep you warm, but shorts is because it's too hot. I don't know. All right, let's check out the next spot. Right next door, they do got the Ross. All right, let's check. You guys know I don't really like go to 8 of these a day, like, you know, the big time resellers, but you know, I check once in a while. I happen to be driving by, figured I'd check. Checking out the activewear section. I've been here with Bosco and we found some low-end jerseys. I'm not finding nothing today. I did take a look at the tops over here. I don't see no jerseys. I don't see nothing great. Do see this. This isn't too bad. This is it's like a hoodie, but I think it's reflective. It is a hoodie by New Balance. I have a feeling it is reflective. Looks pretty dope. It's it says normally 40 down to 25. I wouldn't be surprised if it's worth more originally. Exact same with the shorts. No Mitchell and Ness. Dang it. I've already found a lot of deals and stuff, but you know, I figured I'd check for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get content for you guys. Got this super bright NBA shorts going for $10. That's about it, yo. That's about it. Oh, they got them in purple too. Well, that's about it. Of course, we gotta check out the sneakers. Found these things. Looking like a snack. This would be dope for Christmas time. Like $13. Of course, you gotta find the other size, or the other side that is. I think I'm in the size 11s. 40. Oh, these are 10 and a half though. Dude got some, what, Pegasus 37s, all white. It's white for the most part. Some of it's gray, actually. Yeah, the midsole, the front of the midsole is gray. 45 bucks, okay. Got some Puma Prestos right here. RBX Flyknits. Some OG Reeboks. I don't know what the hell these are called. 35 bucks for those. These are some real OG Reeboks right here. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. $23. Not too shabby. Size 11.5 mans. Got some Chicago ones. Not really. Got some low top Reeboks. One for 32. Really small size. Got some Super Reps right here. These are the Super Rep 3s. $49.99. Size 8. Okay. Got some Converse, these weird looking Converse, go for 35. These normally go for like 100 bucks or something. Size 10 for those. Got some Army, some camo Crocs right here, going for 20 bucks. These are huge. Oh, size 13, yep. That's the cheapest Crocs we've seen, 20 bucks. Cheapest in a while. NMDs right above that, $45 for NMDs. That's not bad. Size 8 right here. Got prime knit all over it. And do got some Converse right here. $35. Got some regular Converse. Smaller size. This was size 9 or something. Size 8. Do they got some dope backpacks at least? No, not really. Not really, man. Nothing much today. Oh, Adidas backpack's not too shabby. Actually, pretty well made. Normally $65 down to $40. $40's kind of high, yo. That's about it. Happened to check the hat section right here. New Era beanie. 17 bucks for the Bears. PBR hat. That's about it. There's just not much. Not much, man. Is that an Ed Hardy shaver? What the hell? Ed Hardy's still alive? I didn't know they're still alive. And what are they doing making shavers? $4.50 for those. Yeah, I'm officially done. Did finally make it to El Segundo, new Nike store. They do got some goodies here. They got some goodies. Some men's sizes right here. I don't know if they have multiple. I think this is a 10, right? Like I said, size 9. They got one of these. Grade school, that's a 7. I don't know if they have any other additional sizes in the back. I just know we got a little heat section. I don't know if they're returns or what, but not bad. Not bad. That's a size 9. That has to be women's. That has to be women's. Got those velvet ones right here. And that's their little Jordan section. Dunk section.
These are all white.
And do you got these? You got these?